Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in this video, I'll show you how to import HTML file into your CorelDraw workspace. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you right click on your CorelDraw work environment, and then go ahead and click on import right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate where you have your HTML folder. So I have my HTML folder on my download folder right here. So select my download folder. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the HTML file. So here we go. We have one right here. This file here is HTML document, just like what you see right here. Select on the HTML file. Go ahead and click on import. Then drag and drop the HTML file. Here you go. You have it right here. Now, how do you edit your HTML file in CorelDraw? Select all the elements that comprise of the HTML file. Go ahead and come to the top right here. And then what you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Ungroup All Objects. Once you ungroup all objects, then you can begin to take the object one after the other. Like for instance, I can select on this particular object, I can decide to change the color to another thing. So I can decide to check on this particular one right here, and then also change the color to whatever color of my choice. It's that simple. So you can go on and edit your HTML file. This depends on exactly what you want to achieve with HTML file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.